Let's start. Okay. Good morning, everyone. On behalf of Konkan Gyanpith Rahul Dharkar College of Pharmacy and Research Institute, I would like to welcome you all for this interview skill competition. Today, we are fortunate to have with us Ms. Nikita Patil as an evaluator. Before beginning with the competition, let me take an opportunity to introduce her. Ms. Nikita Patil is alumni of Konkan Gyanpith Rahul Dharkar College of Pharmacy and Research Institute, Karjat. About her education, she is B.Pharm from KJRDCP and RI, M.Pharm in Pharmacology from SVKM's VNCT Mumbai, and currently pursuing PhD from NMIMS University. She has one research publication and one book chapter for her credit. Her research area of interest is management of Alzheimer's disease. She has also worked as assistant professor in BCP for 1 year and lecturer in NMIMS for 1 year. She has attended several seminars and workshops and also presented poster at various conferences on several occasions. With this short introduction, may I now request Ms. Nikita Patil to say a few words about the program.
Okay, so thank you so much first, Jyoti ma'am, for your very warm welcome. And thank you so much, Konkan Gyanpith Rahul Dharkar College of Pharmacy, to to give this opportunity to me so I can conduct this program. So thank you so much everyone for having me here. Thank you. And
We have also one more eminent evaluator for this program, Mrs. Saili Bhoge. So I would also like to welcome her on this program. We would like to hear from you, ma'am, as well.
Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, very good. Thank you so much for this welcome. I'm glad to be the part of this, and definitely I'll help you in everything, whatever you need. And all the best for this program, and may you have more such programs in future.
Thank you, ma'am, for sparing your time out and giving this your valuable time to this competition.
Always welcome. No problem.
Uh, I think with this, we can start with our competition. We have our first participant over here. May I request you, Mr. Subhash S., to introduce about yourself so that we can proceed about this competition?
Yeah, sure. Let me start, ma'am.
Yes.
May I audible, ma'am?
Yes, you are clearly audible.
Ma'am, if any interruption in my voice, did you infer me?
Yes.
Yeah. Let me talk about myself. My camera is on.
On, sir.
Yeah. Myself, Subhash, from Sengundar College of Pharmacy, Tamil Nadu. I am pursuing 4th B.Pharm. Currently, I am a student of Sengundar College of Pharmacy under MGR Medical University. It's a grade of Tamil Nadu. I am a B.Pharm graduate as I am pursuing currently 4th B.Pharm in the pandemic period, working as a student of B Pharmacy from Sengundar College of Pharmacy. From my account, I have one brother. He is completing 12th. He had later studying on biotechnology in Sengundar Arts and Science College. My father is a tailor. My mother is a housewife. That's all, madam.
Can we have some questionnaires to Mr. Subhash?
okay, so Subhash, am I audible, Subhash?
Yeah. Here, ma'am.
So currently you are in final year B.Pharm.
Yes, ma'am.
So I would like to ask you where you see yourself in 5 years.
I cannot hear you. Did you repeat the question?
What?
Did you repeat the question?
Where do you see yourself in 5 years?
Man, first 2 years is literally I do not know. On behalf of third year, a lot of staffs and better than students and principal motivate me to enthusiastic in the field of pharmacy. That only I enthusiastic in third year.
Okay, I'll ask you the same question, Mr. Subhash. Madam want to say that after completing your B Farm,
Yeah.
uh, and at the time span of 5 year passes on, after 5 years completing of your B Farm, where do you see yourself in industry? At what position you see yourself? What do you want to achieve after these 5 years?
Yeah, I understand your question. Literally, my mind is in stuck of after B Farm, it will be do an M Farm in pharmacology because I have more interest in pharmacology. In the pandemic period, I have done more than presentations on national and international level, such as rather than pharmacology, it's related to pharmacology, such as anti-diabetic actions of amino acids and the CAR T cells in the time of anti-cancer treatment. Such of examples we can done in pharmacology. So I can in future in M-Pharm pharmacology. In other than I can in industry side, it's production department.
In pharmacology, what type of production you are going to do in industry?
My, total, first I assure the production in formulation of anti-cancer. Next we will do diabetes because they are more than suffer from diabetes. That will be used for pharmacology by using an pharmacognosy treatment and using herbs and other chemical constituents which can use to production them.
Anything else?
Okay. Subhash,
Yes, sir.
so can you talk about your weakness?
Yeah, my biggest weakness is I speak little bit.
Okay, then
Not more talkative because I'm straightforward to keep the point.
okay. What are your
Yes. My biggest strength is to create a new tool and to exposure many things in pharma field and also in medical field.
okay? Any example?
In such example, in today year 2020 in the pandemic period, I participated in national and international seminars and I published one paper in international level related to chemistry. And I
So
have
you are interested in pharmacology. That means you want to be related with the more or with the patients, isn't it? A community
yes,
pharmacy, isn't it? So
yeah,
during this pandemic, what you had done, what you have initiated for the society,
yeah, as part of pandemic situation, I had done an soft
apart
copy
from
work.
your apart from your attending the seminars, publications for the society, for the community nearby you, what you have plan or what you have done?
Yeah, currently I have do some tests like blood pressure test and sugar test circulating my families because they have not to go to hospital because they have an COVID test because hospitals and that only I can test some my and other relatives.
Okay. Ajay sir.
Uh, Subhash,
Yeah.
hi, I'm Saili. I just want to ask you that as you told me that you will be working on diabetic trial, which is prevalent and everything, that is correct. But currently we have a lots of diabetic trial, like lots. So what I want, you want to go in production, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. And what is the end product we want from the production or any pharmacologic? What is the result we want? If you know the result, then you are like you know what you want to do. Suppose I'm just giving one example that one trial is conducted and the end result would be it is not successful trial. So this will be harmful to the population, right?
Yeah,
Right. So what do you think? What is important to focus on while you're working on a pharmacology?
as a pharmacologist and as a pharmacist, we on this can project on initial only, ma'am, and not to conclude because
Right, right. But you have to focus, right? Right.
yes,
I'll
ma'am.
tell you what is the main focus. The main focus is the safety of the patient. At the end, we focused on only on the safety of the patient, whatever trials are going on. And this is not. I'm just telling you now, but in future also, when you are working on particular product, you should be aware that this product should be beneficial to the coming population. Okay.
Yeah, ma'am, I can explain the process because it will be beneficial, not
Right.
overall the side effect. Because I can choose the product as a medicine for diabetics because the topic is anti-diabetic actions of amino acids from herbs.
Right.
That's
Right.
like
Absolutely correct. That is totally I agree. But I will suggest that it will be more beneficial if you work now on the COVID things. If you have so much interest, then you can look forward to work on this, or you have already planned something. Then that is good.
yeah, sure, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. All the best for your future.
Yeah, thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Subhash, can I ask you something?
No, sir, there is one
Wait,
question.
wait.
Okay, Subhash.
Yeah.
As you said, you are interested in diabetic area. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's consider after completing B Farm, you are pursuing your career in M Farm, or you are doing M Farm. So in M Farm, the project is there related to pharmacology. So let's consider there is a one funded project you will receive from DBT, that is government project, and you will get a fund around 35 lakhs. But that project is on CNS. Okay,
Okay.
and you wanted to do diabetic project. So which project you will choose? You will choose a diabetic project which is not funded, or use a CNS project which is funded by the government.
No, as one thing I can remember because I can choose the diabetic because my father is a diabetic. Other than safer side, I can choose an anti-cancer treatment because CAR-T representative. You know the CAR-T is in a chemotherapy
No,
treatment.
you got my question. I'm repeating my question again. Okay.
Yes.
You have two choices. Okay. One choice is you can pursue your career. You can choose your project in which you are interested, but it is funded. Okay. अगर research करना है, अगर कुछ करना है तो उसके लिए fund चाहिए. Okay. If you want to pursue, you want to do something great in diabetes, I agree on that part, but it is not funded. Same time, you will receive 35 lakhs of fund, but the project is scaled. So which project you will choose? Either funded project which is on CNS, or either non-funded project which is on diabetes.
So I can understand your question because they had funded less amount. I am correct, ma'am?
What?
The higher level studies they have funded less. I am correct, ma'am? You can say that.
Higher funded studies का इसमें कुछ नहीं, मैंने बोला ना, you have a fund of 35 lakhs from the DBT, which is government project, but the project is on CNS.
I understood.
You choose that project, or you will like, no, I don't want to work on CNS, I'll go for diabetes only, and I will put my money in the diabetes part, and I will do my research project in diabetes only, project which is on CNS, because I am not interested in that.
Ma'am, I also told that because I have, if I not accepted the diabetic, if I go to CAR-T using anti-cancer treatment, ma'am.
Okay, so you will not choose that funded project. Okay, I got my point.
Yeah, okay, ma'am. If I choosing an anti-cancer treatment, they will be funded, ma'am.
How it will be funded? For raising the funds, you have to send the proposal and all that stuff.
Yeah,
Okay, I got your point.
I
Yeah.
understand because I am currently working as a fourth year. They had submitted my project to our head of the principal, and the next principal of the next college, he will be accepted my paper for the diabetic, and also last week they accepted the thesis of my anti-cancer treatment also, ma'am.
Okay. Okay.
Now you clarify, ma'am.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah,
So
okay.
currently you are in final year
Yeah, yes,
B.Pharm.
sir.
Okay, so comes to some academics. So and you are interested in
Yeah, yes, sir.
pharmacology. So how will you differentiate bleeding time and clotting time?
Sir, it's a bleeding time. If puncture the blood
Hmm.
surface of the skin, the blood clot in 3 to 5 minutes.
Yes.
It's a clotting time. Bleeding time is the puncture of the blood, puncture of the surface of the skin.
Okay. Is it correct?
Yeah,
Okay.
Subhash, can you repeat your answer
yeah. It's
in a short,
bleeding time,
very
which means
short sentence? I want to know.
yeah. Okay, ma'am. I can clarify. Bleeding time is me puncture of the surface of the skin. Clotting time, puncture of the surface of the skin after they will be clot after thrombin and fibrinogen conversion.
So, what about the fibrin? Fibrin thread-like structure. Have you heard about this term?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. It's a blood component of factor 18,
18?
factor 13.
13? Are you sure?
13 12.
No, you are not sure on this.
Yeah, okay.
Okay. I
Okay.
everyone, yeah. Or anybody have any questions?
I think there are no any questions. Thank you, Subhash.
Yeah, thank you.
All the very best for your future and the career. Here, I'd like to give you certain suggestions, if you permit.
Yeah, okay, ma'am.
You already mentioned your strength and weaknesses. Actually, it is some people, it is they don't accept their strength. Weaknesses especially. They know their strength, but they don't generally accept their weaknesses. So you have already accepted. That means you already know. So you are knowing your weaknesses. So one point I would like to say is that work on your weaknesses and don't keep that weaknesses for longer period of time. You work on that weaknesses and make that your strength. So you will proceed and you will achieve what you want in your career and get some more clarity about what you want to be in your future after, like ma'am has said, what do you want to do, or where do you see yourself after 5 years. So from today itself you think what do you want to be after 5 years and get that clarity, so that will be helpful more you in achieving your dream or project or career which you strive to be. Okay, so all the very best.
Yeah, thank.
So, sir, we can start with the next participant.
Yes. Yes. Li-
Yeah, okay, sir.
Next, I think we have with us Mr. Amit Pandey, right? Amit Pandey, you introduce yourself to know
Yes, ma'am.
Isha. Wait, Amit. Amit, you'll wait.
Sure, sir.
Are you there, Isha Patel?
Yes, ma'am. Am I audible?
Yes, but you are not visible.
Please on your camera.
Yes, ma'am.
Welcome to this competition, interview skill competition.
Thank you, ma'am.
Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, a very good morning to one and all. I am Isha Patel. I'm 20 years old and pursuing Doctor of Pharmacy from Modern College of Pharmacy, Nigri, Pune. I belong to a joint family and my hobbies are listening to music and drawing. And I have doubled myself into various project work which are generally based on community pharmacy surveys. And I have also won e-poster presentation competition, which was organized by Elite Institute of Pharma Skills, Pune in the year 2020. And as a person, I have a creative mind and a great grasping power. Coupled with the friendly and explore new things instantly. So this is how I would like to summarize my persona as.
I have some questions from the judges.
Okay, so Isha, currently you are doing. Can you repeat that? Currently you are in which?
I'm in third year, Doctor of Pharmacy. No,
Third year of
Farm
B
D.
Farm B Farm.
Yes.
Farm D. Okay. So what is your plan after Farm D? You are going to, you are going to open your own medical shop, or you want to pursue your career in further
Actually,
things?
I want to get job first. Whatever job I will get, I will go into it and have much more experience and work and learn work skills. And I have plans to go abroad and get license over there.
Okay, so you want to go to abroad for MS or for bachelor's or for which thing?
Actually, I want to get first pharmacist license so that there I can work for 2-3 years and grab experience. And then I want to go in a board of pharmacy and I want to involve in government authorities.
Okay, okay.
Isha, you mentioned about your interest in community pharmacy, right?
Yes.
Can you throw some light upon the status of community pharmacy in India and how it should be actually? How you should, or what you want to contribute? Or I guess you are migrating. But if you will be staying in India, where do you want to see like how this community pharmacy should change from current status in future in India? How it should be this community pharmacy?
Yes, ma'am. So, community pharmacy in India at the present scenario is generally like giving all things that community pharmacy is generally for dispensing of medicine or taking the medicine or OTC medicine, whatever, or for the symptomatic relief. But these are leading to many side effects.
Isha is not audible to me. Can anyone else hear? No?
No, Isha is not.
No.
No.
Isha, you were not
Sorry,
audible.
ma'am.
Okay, she is now.
Yes.
We did not.
Yes, ma'am. So,
Yes. Will you please repeat what you said?
Yes, ma'am. Yes. So I want to see this community pharmacy as not just as a dispensing pharmacy, but also a counseling pharmacy. So what, for example, if a doctor prescribes something, the patient comes to the pharmacist to buy the medicine. So it's the job of the pharmacist not only to dispense the medicine, but also to counsel about that particular medicine, whatever has been prescribed. So this will ensure the safety of the patients at the present scenario.
Okay, Isha, will you tell me what is the difference between the community pharmacy and hospital pharmacy?
Okay, so community pharmacy is generally easily accessible for the patients. So, and hospital
As compared
pharmacy,
to hospital pharmacy.
yes, it is very easily accessible to the patients. In order to buy the symptomatic relief medicine that are OTC drugs, which are available. So, and in hospital pharmacy, it is like whatever things are prescribed, hospital pharmacists dispense it. So this is difference between community and hospital pharmacy.
Okay. So in India, currently in India, uh, hospital pharmacy is more valuable than community pharmacy, or community pharmacy is more valuable than hospital?
So currently in India, actually community pharmacy is more valuable in my point of view because it is accessible to the patients. And as hospital pharmacy is not easily accessible to the patients who are very poor and who live in remote areas. So I think that every village, every small corner of the country should have the community pharmacy, and it should not be only community pharmacy but a small kind of pharma clinic to help and reach every part of the our country and every remote areas and poorest of poor people.
So in accordance with your this view,
Yes.
you should stay in India. Why you are going to abroad?
Actually, I want to pursue more education, and I want to develop my skills,
Yes.
and then
Then
I
what you
really
are
wanted
saying
to
that
do that.
you want to take the license and all these things in abroad. Hmm? So it doesn't seem that what your ideology is different and your working is different.
Actually,
Practical approach is different. It should match with each other.
yes. So getting license there
Hmm.
is just to work there for 3 to 4 years. I want to work there and get more skills and knowledge from there and come back here
So you
and
think
develop our
in
country.
abroad you will get more knowledge than India? So you
Actually,
think in that way?
yes, actually, I think in that way because our system and their system is a much different.
Yes, 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 yes. The
So I want to
differences in the
learn
system.
there and
Listen,
come
listen.
back.
You will
Differences
come
in the
back.
system is different, isn't it? So
Yes.
whatever knowledge you gain abroad, how you can apply here?
So
Is it
Yeah,
feasible?
there,
The community in abroad is different. Community in India is
different.
different.
Yes.
In
Yes.
pandemic area, in this pandemic era also, what we found that lot many people are get died with the pandemic, this corona COVID-19, and apart from that, many others are get infected to a larger extent than in India. Though we say that Italy is the most uh,
Affected country.
developed, most developed country in the
Developed.
sense of medical facilities, isn't it? But highest deaths occur in Italy. So if you go in a European country and you will get to learn the skills, isn't it? So already these that peoples are well trained, isn't it? Though also they get died, but in India right now the need of community pharmacy is much more to aware the peoples, isn't it? So the working conditions are totally different.
yes, I agree with whatever you have said, but to gain knowledge, I think
India is best.
there I can gain more knowledge.
Knowledge, what? Which type of knowledge you want to gain?
Actually, for doctor of pharmacy students, there are opportunities in our country, and they even don't consider us.
So you
So
should
I want to go
start.
there.
You
Yes.
should try for the developing these areas in India.
Yes, I will definitely try for this, but
Hmm.
as a career, I want to pursue because here we don't have opportunities.
So if you think in that way, why you why you came into this line? You
PharmD,
can choose
PharmD.
engineer, some IIT or some NIPER like that of stuff. Why you choose PharmD? You can
Actually,
easily opt for any other option like architecture, something like that. You can easily opt for anything.
yes, actually, I I don't want to lie for this. I just came coincidentally in this field because yes, I just don't want to lie about this. I wanted to pursue medical. I wanted to get into it, but this was just a coincidence that I get into this.
Nowadays, it is much more easier to go abroad with PharmD course rather than B.Pharm course, isn't it?
Yes, actually, which I got to know after getting into this founding.
Yes.
Isha?
Yes, ma'am.
Hi.
Hi, Isha. You said about patient counseling. Am I audible properly?
Yes, ma'am, you're audible.
So you said that the patient counseling is the area where we have to improve. So we can do this by face to face, right?
Yes.
Are there any other modes available which you can use for patient counseling apart from this face to face mode? How can
Yes,
you do the
ma'am.
patient counseling? Yes,
Yes,
what are
ma'am. So we can also um, involve in becoming an influencer on YouTube, or we can also create a creative or innovative flyers and pamphlets to be distributed in the community. We can also go through access people through telemedicine. So telemedicine a better option in this pandemic. So we can go for these alternatives.
Did you try anything like this in this lockdown period?
Yes, actually, I have involved in influencing people through my elocution skills, and even in that, I have won. Recently, I have won national level elocution competition. Um, in this COVID-19, it was generally on COVID-19 pandemic.
Okay. So no more question from my side.
Hi, Isha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, I'm Dr. Saidia. Okay, let's. I just want to. First of all, I want to tell you one thing that you are planning to go abroad and then you want to come back in India and then to work on. That is a complete career oriented and a good thing, whatever at your career point of view. But let me tell you one thing that suppose you are going outside, you'll be studying on the white people like all British or something. They have a taken DNA sampling makeup. And here in India, we have a variety of DNA sampling. You must be aware about that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So whatever you're going to study there, I don't think it will be going to help us here. So just think about it. If you can do, you want to do, you have so many thoughts in your mind, I would recommend if you use that thoughts here,
Yes.
and it will be definitely you will earn or you can learn more than earn. You can learn a lots of things here. And about opportunity, there are lots of opportunity here. You just have to look out where you can find your opportunity. And my last question for you. You were talking about the counseling thing. Just give me some list of things that you would like to counsel to patients. Suppose I am your patient. I just come to your community medicine pharmacy and I gave you one prescription,
Yes.
which is such as thing anti-diabetic, anti-hypertensive. So, what as a pharmacist, what would you tell me, or what would be your action like?
Okay, ma'am. For example, if you are hypertensive.
Yeah.
So, okay. Um, yes. So you are hypertensive. So I will ask you about whatever from how many years do you have this, or what medications do you take. I'll see your prescription and then tell about general counseling like you should avoid taking salt, then you should if you're alcoholic or into smoking, so you should skip that. You should do exercise daily, and whatever the drugs are given, like antihypertensive drugs like captopril, amlodipine. So these are general drugs. So you can, so I'll counsel on that. See, if you are taking diuretics for as a antihypertensive, then I'll ask that when you are taking diuretics, that you are taking in the morning or night. So generally diuretics are taken in the
Is,
morning.
fair. So that whatever you have told me, that is all the lifestyle related, right?
Yes.
That is cool. That is good. I would suggest you, if it is better more than as a pharmacist, you know the chemical compound of that drug. So what could be the possible side effects I may have? Because doctor obviously prescribed. So every medicine has a side effect, and as the pharmacist, you are the people who know better. So
Yes.
in community pharmacy, these things are expected that time. Okay.
Okay, so last question to Isha from my side. Isha, am I audible to you? Isha,
Yes,
am I
ma'am.
audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Let's consider you went to abroad and you are now now you settle there, and now per month you are getting very good bunch of money. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So still you want to come back to India?
Yes, ma'am. Actually,
You will leave all that stuff and you will come back to India.
yes, I really wanted to come back. See, I'm not. See, you might be thinking that it's very opposite thing that I really wanted to come back with ample of this amount. When still, if it is, I am earning very good and getting ample of amount there. But actually, my long-term goal is to build up chain of pharmacy here, and not only community pharmacy, but a counseling pharmacy in every village, every remote place where people are
Okay.
not getting the real whatever.
But at present, the counseling part and whatever you are telling to me,
Yes,
it's more in abroad as compared to India.
yes,
So you don't want to do that in abroad. You wanted to do that in India only.
yes. Actually, if I'll get ample of amount there, I'll put that all the amount here and set up chain of pharmacy here.
Okay, okay, I got your point.
Yes.
Any more questions? Okay, fine, Isha. You can leave.
Okay, I guess there are no more questions. Thank you, Isha, for joining
Thank you,
and
ma'am.
participating in this competition, and all the very best for your future.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you.
You can leave.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, sir. So first of all,
Ayush,
thank you for giving me this opportunity to present myself. I'm currently pursuing my B Farm final year, and during my middle school, I learned that I had my interest in science, and my parents found that I have my great strength in science, chemistry, and applied sciences. And later, I discovered that I have great potential in human anatomy and chemistry, so I decided to pursue my career in life sciences. And I've always tried to be rational in my life, so that made me a good class representative, and I have been class representative of my class consistently for 3 years. And so that makes me a good team worker, and I can't say that I'm the best, but I have proven myself to be a good leader. And I was a keen debater in my school, and I was given the title that I was the best debater in my English literature club. And I can talk about, and I have submitted my review articles, couple of review articles, one was about hybridoma technology, and one was about electronic pills. And I just hopefully that my co-curricular activities and academics will provide me a greater opportunity in my future. Thank you.
Hello, Amit.
Yes, sir.
So you are more interested in anatomy, physiology, and in chemistry.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. So I think that currently you are in which year? Third year, final year?
Final year, sir.
Final year, B Farm. Okay. Which
Yes.
college?
Sir, Ideal College of Pharmacy and Research. It's in
Okay.
Kalyan.
Okay, okay. So you have studied organic chemistry, inorganic chemistry, analytical chemistry, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Medicinal chemistry, and currently again you are studying the medicinal chemistry.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. So tell me about carbon. What is carbon?
Sir, carbon, its atomic number is 6, and it tends it tends to form covalent bonds.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
Uh, and when carbon combines with hydrogen and oxygen, the compounds are known to be organic compounds.
Hmm. And if it not combined, then
Sir, there are some exceptions, like when carbon is combined with oxygen, like carbon dioxide and carbon monoxide, they are included in inorganic gases.
carbon itself is what?
Uh, as in, sir?
As whether it is organic, inorganic, or any third,
No, sir, it's organic.
it's organic. Okay,
Yes, sir.
good.
90% of biomolecules are organic compounds.
Okay, but carbon is a atom, not a molecule.
Yes, sir.
Still, it is a organic.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you studied a element table?
Yes, sir, periodic table.
So, what element table contains?
Uh,
Organic compound or inorganic compound?
Sir, both. Actually,
Both?
actually, sir, it's more like inorganic compounds in total, but carbon is itself an organic it's pioneer of organic compounds.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Whole organic section, whereas others are inorganic compounds.
Amit,
Yes, ma'am.
what are your career objectives? What do you want to become?
Ma'am, as in I have thought about that, but I wanted to pursue in civil service. So
Good.
I was yes, ma'am.
Very good.
As an IFS officer, I want to be an IFS officer.
What is IFS officer?
Sir, Indian Foreign Services.
Okay.
Uh, After some time, they tend to be a diplomat, or they can be an ambassador for our country.
Okay. That means you want to leave the country,
Yes, sir.
or which country will pay you.
Yes, sir. It's not like that, sir. It's like, as I said, I was a class representative, and I want to be a rational person. But I myself that I I like diplomacy, sir.
You like diplomacy.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Amit,
Yes, ma'am.
during this pandemic period, that is lockdown,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
how you have spent your time? Did
Ma'am,
you try and achieve any sharpen your skill? Did you do any course or something like that, or you prepared something about these civil services?
Ma'am, actually, now I am kind of into a myth and history. So history is my strong pursuit, and I have read my history books and sharpened my history skills. And I have read some books, but mostly I was,
Name the book.
ma'am, it's Devlok with Devdutt Patnaik. it depicts how our religions are used as metaphors in our day-to-day life.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Any more questions?
Hi, Amit.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, ma'am.
Hello. You told that just that you want to pursue a career in IFS, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, do you have any idea what are the skills required to pursue that?
Ma'am, the skills, uh, as I have gathered my knowledge, they are you should be a good in geographical locations, and your history should be strong, like world history actually, and
Okay.
you should be strong in your economics part too, and you should have a good talking skills and diplomacy skills, ma'am.
Okay. Basically, leadership skills, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, what do you think? What could be the beneficial strength that you have that will help you for to pursue this career?
Ma'am, I think I have good diplomacy skills. Means I can convince anyone, and instead of lying, I could twist the truth in some kind and make them believe in me, trust me, get them to trust me. That's why.
And
Yes, ma'am.
what would be the weakness that would may hamper your this all skill?
Ma'am, I think my weakest weakness is I can't say no to a person easily because in that way I do the things which I should not commit to.
Okay, 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 okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you are all the best for your career. Okay,
Thank you, ma'am. Thank
that's
you
it
very
from
much.
my
Okay.
part.
Amit, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so as you have said that you wanted to do IFS, and so IFS is nothing but you're going to represent India in various other countries, and you have to do a lot of things. Am I right?
Ma'am, your voice is breaking. Ma'am, your voice
Am I
is breaking.
audible?
Yes, now you're
Yeah.
audible.
Okay. So as you have mentioned, you wanted to do IFS. Okay, so it means you're going to represent India in various other countries, and you're going to deal with that.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so at present, at present in India, where IFS is lacking, do you have any idea about that?
Ma'am, mostly third world countries, the African countries, where the ambassadors are still afraid to go because the crime rates are very high there, like Republic of Congo, then Tanzania, and likewise other countries. I mean, there are IFS officers, but people are hesitating to go there.
Okay, but I don't think so. Like most of the international business people and various corporate offices trips are going in
Yes, ma'am.
African countries, and they are giving the full protection. If you are living in the Kenya, or if you are living in the protected countries in Africa, I think they're very easy to go there.
Yes, ma'am. It is easy to go, but the opportunities there are very less. Like as I said, they are third world countries, so the internet, the communication becomes difficult there
No,
in
but
other
in
places.
Kenya, you can say in the Uganda, you can say, or you can say in the Rwanda. All this country, it is very easy to go, and it is very easy to survive there, and the people are doing that.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, my family members are Kenyan citizens, so I know something about that. But the crime rate are still high because the people
Yeah,
are they snatch the chains without looking how the person is going to be. Like if they want to pluck your earrings, they could pluck your ears out. They are very brutal sometimes, but protection they will offer to everyone. Yes, ma'am. Hello.
okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Is there any question? Is there any more questions?
So if you want to go in a civil services, instead of entering into this pharma, you can go for the other arts, commerce. That will be much
Yes, sir.
easier and that is better for you. It will
Yes, sir. It
better
was.
to understand you the economy and various terminologies of economics.
Yes, sir. But I wanted to do some means I wanted to pursue my career in life sciences first. But later I discovered that I was good in diplomacy too. Later, so I thought,
Okay, you are talking about
why
lot
not
meaning
give it a
about
try?
diplomacy and convincing power of yourself,
Yes,
isn't
sir.
it?
Yes, sir.
So now you convince me that one statement you had made before this, that carbon is a organic. Convince me.
Yes, sir. So convince as in it's an organic compound.
Uh,
Means it leads to form organic branch of science, chemistry. Hello.
yes, yes, I'm listening.
Yes, sir.
Yes, so much. This is the convincing power.
Sir, basically it's a fact, no,
Yeah, yes, but
isn't it?
I denying that
It's a
fact.
fact. Sir, how can someone deny the fact?
Yes, right now the
How can
Pakistan is
someone deny the
denying the
fact?
fact that Kashmir is of India's part. So,
Yes,
isn't it? So many
yes, sir.
of IFS officers are talking in a UNOS and all these international conferences about how they are convincing the international community that Kashmir is a part of India. So now you have to just convince me that carbon is organic.
Sure, sir. So the first of all, the carbon tends to form covalent bonds, right? Uh, you agree with that, right?
Hmm.
Uh, so and basic life molecules like DNA, RNA, and your proteins and all,
I
they have
am not
carbon.
talking about the carbon containing compound. I am talking about only carbon. Huh?
So
Just
you
like
are asking
Pakistan.
me
Pakistan is not talking about the Delhi, Mumbai, and all other things. They are talking only about the Kashmir.
to, no, sir,
I
you
am
are
talking
asking
only
me.
about what carbon.
So I have to
Your
prove that.
diplomacy,
So
the
you have asked.
convincing power.
Yes, sir, you are asking me to prove that carbon leads to form organic compounds, right? Hello. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
So I was convinced so that the DNA and RNA molecules are known to be biomolecules and they are also organic and they have carbon in it. So that proves that carbon needs to form organic compounds.
Okay. So what are the natural
Yes.
things, natural elements, natural compounds, what we obtain from the minerals, marines, and etc. Whether they are organic or inorganic?
So it depends. If you are extracting metals of some
Hmm.
kind, the metals are usually inorganic
Hmm.
metals and phosphorus, like
Hmm.
non-metals like phosphorus and all,
Okay.
except carbon. Yes, sir. And
Okay.
you can find carbon in wood, leaves, human bone, human skin, and all. So they are,
So
yeah, they are
there is
called
no,
as organic.
there is near about 99% of things are composed of carbon.
Oh, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes. So without carbon, life is not possible.
Yes, sir.
But
Yes,
still,
sir. Without carbon, life
carbon
is not possible.
is okay. Which book you have referred for this organic chemistry?
So organic chemistry, there's Pohe and Bahal.
Organic
I've referred.
chemistry OE is not available for organic chemistry. It is for medicinal chemistry.
Sir, no, sir. I mean
Okay,
medicinal
let it be.
small. Yes, sir.
Okay, okay, let it be.
Yes, sir.
Jyoti ma'am.
Sir. Thank you, Amit. Thank you
Thank
for
you, ma'am.
participating in the competition and all the very best for your
Thank
future
you.
endeavor. Thank you so much. Now
Thank
you
you,
can
ma'am.
leave the meeting.
Thank you, ma'am. Okay, sir.
Yes. Good morning, sir. Yes, sir. Good morning, sir. Myself, Gaurav Ajay Dubey. I'm pursuing final year BPharm in Ideal College of Pharmacy and Research, lives in Kalyan. I have designed registration of capsule shell in through Indian patent rights, and I have 9 international publications in various journals, and I have attended 2 day seminars in CNS disorders and zebrafish and yeah, animal handling facility in LH Hiranandani College. Yes, sir.
So this is all about what you have completed or what you are studying. Tell me about yourself. Who is Gaurav Dubey? What is Gaurav Dubey?
Yes, sir. Sir, Gaurav Dubey is like a very frank and hardworking person, smart working person, and I'm doing various. I'm on through that. I want to do research things. I'm doing cancer studies. Like I have now working on cadherin molecule, and I'm also doing some my capsule. I'm bringing my capsule shell into the market, and I'm also in the sports field. I'm doing cycling also. I have attended national level lay mountain cycling expedition, and I completed it. So I'm also interested in fitness and aware about it.
Okay. Which capsule shell you are going to introduce in market?
So this capsule shell is like we can administer incompatible drugs which can have 2 different release time. Like we can have one drug in stomach and one drug in intestine.
Okay.
Means
So
its
capsule in
design is
capsule technology, capsule in tablet technology.
no sir, no sir. Its capsule cells design is different. Means like
Okay.
it's having a middle partition in it and joined 2 drums which having
Okay.
middle partition and attached 2 caps.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, Gaurav, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So as you have mentioned, you have handled zebrafish.
Hello. Huh, ma'am.
You have
Yes,
had
ma'am. Not handled, but sort it.
you have just saw.
Yes.
Okay. So currently you are in final year B Farm, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So would you tell me and what is your career goals after B Farm? After completing
Ma'am,
B Farm?
after completing BPharm, I want to go in a master field, like master MPharm or MS. It is independent of it. I want to do masters in pharmaceutics and a PhD in NDDS. I have to I want to complete my PhD after master directly. I have to do PhD, not want to do job in between it. And I want to pursue PhD in CSIR, CDRI, as like there is also a junior research fellowship program, so that I can achieve both junior research fellowship and as well as a PhD too.
GRF plus PhD.
Yes.
Okay, so you will do different project or same project?
It's depend on that time only, na.
No,
I
if
can.
you are doing a GRF project, then in some university, if you are
Yes.
doing GRF project, then you can't pursue PhD and GRF project simultaneously.
Yes, yes, I know that. Means I can like CSIR and JRF, CSIR, CDRI having JRF programs, so that they are taking internships. First, they are taking internship. After they are programs also, so that interested persons or interested students can pursue their PhD also. So that I can, if I got opportunity of to do JRF from CSIR, CDRI, then after JRF I will do PhD.
Look, in case of GRF project, you have to write a proposal and then only you will get. It's not like that.
Yes.
No one will give you. You have to
Yeah,
write
yeah.
a research proposal. For that research proposal, it should be novel. It should
Yes.
be informative. It should be compatible. Okay, all that factors
Yes,
should
ma'am.
be
Yes.
fulfilled,
Yes.
and then only you will
Yes.
get that project. So for
Yes,
that, have you prepared any kind of proposal, or
Ma'am, I don't. I'm not aware of it.
preparing
But
something for that?
yes, I'm not aware of it that I have to prepare something. But I have many ideas for that, to prepare something, some projects like that. I have my master program 2 years, so I can prepare some projects also. I have many ideas.
Okay, so you also mentioned that you have communicated several review articles. Am I
Yes, ma'am.
right?
Yes.
So in which journal you have communicated? Will you name some journal? Will you name some journal?
Yes, ma'am. In starting, I have public done in WJPR, AJPTR, and International Journal of Pharmaceutical and Research, IJPPS. These 3 journals I have done 9 publications. I'm not
9
current-
publications.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
You are also targeting some impact factor journals, or you are just communicating?
No, ma'am. Starting, I'm not aware of that in the starting of my publications. Now I am aware of it that last journal having impact factor good. I'm not. I'm also doing some research now, review and research, so that I can publish in Elsevier type journals.
Yeah, you should target
Yes.
some journals with high impact factors. So
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
it
ma'am.
would be helpful for you for your, for further
Yeah.
things.
Yes, ma'am.
Gaurav,
Yes, ma'am.
you said that you will be doing MPharm, PhD. So you are targeting so much of the research work.
Yes.
So after a few years, what do you want to see yourself, like Mr. Scholar Gaurav Dubey, or do you also want to contribute in improvement of society to some extent, or you'll be happy to known as a Scholar Gaurav Dubey? And one more question.
Yes.
You mentioned so much about your strength and interest. So are you a Mr. Perfectionist Gaurav Dubey, or you also have some weaknesses?
Ma'am. Every person has having weaknesses. Okay. So no one is perfect, according to me. And about research, ma'am, can you pardon first question?
First question, do you want to be recognized as a scholar Gaurav Dubey? Means you want to study, you want to achieve very like good position, maybe in industry or in government job like that, or you want to contribute some to the society, like some benefit to the society,
Ma'am,
well-being of humanity, like
yes.
some
Ma'am,
noble work.
my main intention is to contribute to the society by doing my
What
research,
type of contribution?
by giving simple ideas to pharmacy. According to me, there are many
Example.
things. Ma'am, just like my capsule shell, there are many. I have seen many of the designs, many of the like complicated designs, which can achieve that thing. But same thing, simple thing, can achieve same our requirements too. So that we can use our simple technology, simple ideas, which can improve our future. And we can
Complicated
do,
situations.
yeah, complicated situations like, yeah. And about Mr. Scholar, it depends on that time. It's not only about that. Not only Gaurav Dubey will be a scholar. There are many of the people around the world. There are many of the things they are doing. So I don't want to be a scholar. I want to contribute to society, so that society also will remember me, na.
Thank you, Gaurav, for being here. It's good to hear you. You have such a clarity about your career.
Thank you, ma'am.
Very good. Thank you for participating in this competition.
Thank
and
you
all
very
the
much.
best for your future.
Thank you very much, ma'am.
You can leave the meeting now.
Basically hobbies, like I love to design. I love to sketching and sketching also. I love cooking a lot. I do cooking a lot, and also listening to music and surfing, socializing. This all are my hobbies. And talking about strengths, like I'm very hardworking person. Like I believe in hard working, and hard work is the key to success. I think that. And uh, weaknesses, like do not say easily no to anyone or any some, like if someone is asking for something, like do this or that, anything, any kind of thing, so I do not easily say no to someone. I will accept the challenges and go for it. These all are my weaknesses. And strengths, as I've mentioned, that I'm working self motivator, I can say. I get motivated by my own thoughts.
Okay. There is one more question. Uh, Tell me what
Yeah.
you did into this lockdown period. How did you spend your time? Like you must have got the spare time.
Uh,
There was no college, no
yeah.
exam, and
Yeah.
such.
Yeah.
How you
Like
spend your time?
at the starting, like in the
Yes.
starting span of the lockdown, like this pandemic, there were like I'm in final year now, but in the starting span of pandemic, there were no lectures or nothing like that. So I have done the courses, online courses, and
Which
attended
which
webinars
courses?
also.
Which
Sorry,
courses you did? Which course you completed?
Tata, I have done. I have done 15 days workshop, workshop of Tata Consultancy.
TCS. Okay.
Interview,
Okay.
interview
Wow.
one, yeah,
Wow.
Tata Consultant, 15 days. I've even attended your college's
Wow. Did
webinars
that
also,
help
that
you?
7-day
Did
webinar.
that help you? Course.
Yeah, a lot.
How did that
Yeah, a
course
lot.
help you? Can you say
In
something
many
about that
aspects,
course?
like
How it helped?
uh, in aspects, like there were different topics being delivered by many of the personalities and all in the industries, given a wide scope of knowledge about the pharma sector and also many other things related to pharma industry. So a lot of things I've learned from them. So that was very beneficial actually.
Okay.
Also, I've done 3 days workshop of MS work, which was conducted by Bombay College of Pharmacy, Kalina.
Hi, Prachi.
Hi, hello.
Am I audible to you?
Yeah, yeah,
Yeah. Okay, good. I'm Dr. Saili, and you told me that you have attended a workshop of the Tata, right?
yeah.
Okay. What was the topic?
Interview skills only. How to
Okay.
prepare for
So,
interview and all that. Yeah.
right. Absolutely correct. So, what were the skills you developed after this session, like post Tata session?
Okay. After that, how to first of all how to prepare a CV. That thing I learned from that, and then communication skills, your body language, how it could be, your expression of face, like expressive thoughts, uh, and many more things like that. How to repeat yourself, how to communicate, how to present yourself, how to answer the questions, a lot many things, time
Okay.
management. Yeah,
Right. That is a crucial thing, time management.
yeah,
Okay,
yeah,
so you told that your strength is a hard working, right? But
yeah,
just
yeah.
could you just tell me what is the difference between the hard working and the smart working person or the efficient person?
The basic difference I can say, like hard working, basically if I give example of studying or a student,
Hmm?
one student study for 4 hours one topic with complete dedication and hard work, but not in a smarter way, not in not applying some logic or some logical things they don't apply. They just go on ratifying things and like mugging up everything, and they ended up in like 4 hours or 3 hours to do a single topic. But if I study in a smarter way, like in
So
one and a
this is
half
the
hour also,
definition of
sorry, I'm not sorry, I didn't get
yeah,
you.
yeah. So whatever you told, that was the definition of hard working, right?
Yeah, not a
Okay.
definition, but yeah,
Okay, and now
exams. Yeah.
smart work.
So
Yeah, okay.
that
That will go.
so that thing, if I study in a way with applying some logic, preparing some charts and all, as we have do for our entrances exam, prepare for entrance exam, that I can complete that chapter within 1.5 or 1 hour. So that is the way difference between the hard work and smart smart work.
So what do you think? Harder is better or smarter is better? Including your time management skill.
Actually, both, like do hard work but in a smarter way, I can say.
Correct. That's what.
Like
Okay.
it should be
That's it from
balanced.
my.
Yeah.
Okay, right.
Thank
All
you.
the best. Yeah.
Thank you.
Okay. Are there any questions from anyone, evaluator? I guess there are no. Okay, Nikita, you want to ask something? Hello, Ajay sir. Prachi, I guess there are no more questions.
Okay, ma'am.
So thank you for participating in this competition and all the very best for your future.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you
You
so
can
much.
lead the meeting now.
Yeah, ma'am.
I love the most important thing in it, which was the consistency and the patience while doing it, and the quick learning ability. If I talk about my future perspective of what I have to do in future, so basically I want to do managemental studies in pharmacy only. So I am currently preparing for it. So thank you, sir. That's all from myself. Thank you.
Okay, Janvi, right? Am I
Yes.
audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so uh, from your speech, I come to know that you are multi-talented person.
Thank you, ma'am.
And you want to pursue MBA after B Farm.
Yes, ma'am.
So, do you have any plans for M Farm plus MBA course, or you just wanted to do core MBA?
Core MBA, ma'am.
Core MBA, no interest in master in pharmacy, all that stuff.
No, ma'am. Actually, I don't want to pursue masters. Actually, I got to know there is a managemental studies in pharma, so I'm trying to give entrance for that. Hello.
MBA in pharma, basically.
Yes.
Okay. Have you targeted any college, or are you preparing for CET?
Yes, ma'am. I am targeting especially NMIMS college, SIS college. Both two colleges are most important for me, and I'm
So
trying to
NMMS have a different syllabus and NPAT exam. So are you preparing for NPAT?
Yes, NMAT exam.
NMAT,
I'm preparing
yeah,
for it.
NMAT. Are you preparing for NMAT? Am I audible? Janvi, are you there?
Hello. Am I audible, ma'am?
Yes.
There is a little connectivity issue at your end, Janvi.
Yeah, might be possible. Sorry for that.
Janvi?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. So, as you have mentioned, you're preparing for various entrance exams, so you can easily pursue your further things in MBA. So,
Yes.
let's consider you crack your NMAT exam and okay, you got admission in NMIMS for
Okay, ma'am.
MBA. So after MBA, in which part of MBA, or which part of pharma MBA you would like to pursue your career?
Ma'am, actually, I'm thinking for the quality assurance and quality assurance department or quality control department.
Quality assurance and quality control. Are you sure?
Ma'am,
Because
I'm thinking
in industry, they don't, you know,
yeah, ma'am.
they don't focus more on the MBA division in which
Ma'am,
the
actually,
quality control and
yeah.
they they took mostly MPharm people in the quality control and quality analysis department rather than the MBA person.
Ma'am, actually, I want to work as an industrial level, as a manager posting for any various departments as we have manufacturing. And all.
Okay, what are the opportunities for MPharm MBA?
Sorry, sir, I'm not getting what are you talking?
So I am talking about as you are interested in pharma MBA, isn't
Yes,
it?
sir.
So
Yes,
what
sir.
are the opportunities available in a market for that course?
Sir, opportunities like as we have no uh, dif- if we differentiate between the M Pharma and MBA, so I think it's managemental level is the best course for me because of my qualities and the way of communication, the way of presentation. So I feel go for that. That was not any selective purpose for choosing management level over the masters of in pharmacy.
Okay, Janvi,
Yes, ma'am.
whatever I come to know from your side is after completing MBA, from my point of view, you will get placed in the uh, like marketing or something like job. Would you like to place in that kind of job where you have to
Yes, ma'am. I
the
love to.
international business clients and all that stuff? So would you opt for that options? Would you go for
Yes, ma'am.
international business and the marketing stuff? Because after MBA, they have a time course of the internship. In that internship, most of the MBA people, they have to go for the marketing internship. Okay,
Yes,
they
ma'am.
don't go for the quality control and the quality analysis, that kind of thing. They mostly
Yes,
land doing the marketing things and field basis job. So you have to do those internships. So are you okay with that?
yes, ma'am. I love to do.
But as you have mentioned, you are interested in the quality control and quality
Ma'am,
analysis.
I was thinking,
Will
I've
do
not
that.
yet decided anything right now. So for the first decision was mine is to tackle the entrance exam and to get the admission for MBA right now.
Okay, so for your information, I'm just letting you know that if you wanted to do your MBA, okay, let's consider it the pharma MBA, you have to do internship related to the marketing and related to field area. So make
Yes,
sure that you're also preparing for that.
yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
And thank you, ma'am. Actually, I was not knowing it for it.
In case of like there are SIS is there or NMIMS is there. There are various top colleges are there in
Yeah, ma'am.
India, and most of them are conducting internship, and most of the internships are related to the field area. Okay,
Yes, ma'am.
yeah. So make sure that you know everything about it. Okay,
Yes,
on
ma'am. Sure.
their website, on the college website, you will get all the ideas. So make sure that you are reading everything, whatever you are going to what are you
Yes.
what are you going to enter into it? So make sure that
Yes,
you
ma'am.
have all the ideas.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Okay. Thank you, sir, and thank you all the judges.
Yeah.
Hello, sir. Am I audible? Good morning to all the dignitaries present over here. I am having a great pleasure to introduce myself. Myself, Satvik Srivastava. I currently reside in Dombivli. I'm having a family of four, in which my father is there, my younger brother is there, my mother is there, and myself. My father is self-employed. He has a business of medical store. Then my mother is a housewife, and I am currently pursuing final year B Farm in Ideal College of Pharmacy in Kalyan, located in Kalyan. Uh, my so that's it. Thank you.
Okay, Satvik, am I audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
So you are in final year B Farm, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So after completing B Farm, you are going to run your father business, or you want to do something different?
No, ma'am. I actually believe in doing things myself. So I have planned to do MBA in pharmaceutical management. So that's why I'm not as such planning to handle my father's business.
Okay. And after MBA, in which sector would you like to pursue your career?
I have a keen interest in marketing, and as my background is pharmacy, so I also have interest in pharmaceutical management, MBA in pharmaceutical management.
So, do you have any plans for MPharm plus MBA course? There's a two courses. Okay, one course is MPharm plus MBA, which is a 3 years course, and another course is Core MBA, which is a 2 years course. So, आपको कौन से कोर्स में ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट है? As you have mentioned कि फार्मेसी भी करना है, MBA भी करना है.
Yes, ma'am. Actually, I have
Have you
interest
heard
in.
about the MPharm plus MBA course?
Yes, ma'am. I heard about it, but I'm not as such planning to.
And store, and you are not interested in pharmacy.
Because as I grew older and understanding of world came to me, I discovered that that much passion is not in pharmacy.
Then
Like
why you pursue this course? How you reached final year? Or you just confidently reach in this course? You wanted to do something after 12th and you land up doing something else.
no, ma'am. Actually, I used to go in my father's pharmacy store. So I just had a curiosity in my mind, like how the things work. So as I'm taking a tablet, then what is it working? How it cures me? So that initial spark of curiosity made me pursue pharmacy. But later I discovered I had a much interest in management studies than pharmacy. So I'm not planning to go further in MPharm.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. Thank you.
Hi, Satvik.
Hello, ma'am.
Hello. So you basically want to do the MBA, right?
Yes.
Okay. So what do you think? What would the MBA this will include? What all activities will be the part of your profile?
Basically, by going MBA marketing, I should have knowledge of marketing things, presenting things in such a way that it is appealing to someone. Then if I'm going in pharmaceutical management, then I know how to manage a team under me and how the functioning of pharmaceutical firm in which I'm going in. Thing is a very wrong thing because generally when doctors prescribe the patient, if medical store owner gives pharmacist gives the same molecule with another means another brand name, then doctor directly rejects it, which is I
Yeah,
think completely wrong
yeah.
because it increases uh, misunderstanding and miscommunication between the pharmacist and the patient. Like it gives the impression like pharmacist had given me wrong prescription or another thing. So I think that is wrong. There should be a change in it. Instead of means we should market our products, but not offer doctors some schemes and percentages and commission over it. I think so.
So how will you market? How will you market the products? You cannot
Marketing
advertise because it is a drugs.
is
On social media, you cannot advertise the drugs. So how will you market?
means we should remove that compulsion of writing that prescription only. We should go to a doctor and explain the benefits of our product, like increased bioavailability. If doctor is giving simple mouth dissolve, simple release tablets, then our if our tablet is sustained release or extended release, it's giving a better results to a patient, then we should market like that ki our product has this benefits, but we should not make compulsion ki you should prescribe our medicine only and we are giving commission like that. We should then basically give the positives of our products and not make compulsion. That's it.
Okay, okay. Thank you, Sat.
Satvik, that is correct. Whatever you have said now, just I just want to know one thing that suppose I am a doctor, you are selling me the product that is have a same effect that already I am prescribing to the patients. So what could be the different in your product then? How it will be like I'll be convinced. And pharmacists never put pressure on doctors to prescribe that product ever because that's completely a doctor's decision. So how would you going to convince me ki no doctor, this is product something different from the already you are prescribing? I know little, so it's okay. Whatever you feel, that will be appreciable. That is just a general thing that I'm asking.
um, as you said, it's subjectable, means it's upon doctor how it prescribes. We should means present our product like if I'm selling, we should means basically that only get better products to a doctor instead of selling the same products. No?
The better answer is your product is less expensive, have a good quality than the existing product.
Right. Right. That is what matters, because
Thing
for
you can,
every patient,
that's
I
what
can't give
matters to
500.
consumer. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am, that's also correct because nowadays antibiotics are very expensive. Like amoxiclavir is
Right,
also
right.
available in 70 rupees also and available in 400, 500 rupees also. Yes, ma'am.
Correct, correct. That's what I'm saying. And Satwik, that would help you in future. So whenever now you want to go in MBA, so I think your convincing skill should be +3. Okay then, Satwik. Thank you so much. All the best.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, ma'am, for the guidance. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
work and different types of work.
You just mentioned about the Six Sigma courses. What do you know about, just a basic about the Six Sigma?
Ma'am, like I have heard about I don't know advanced knowledge about what are their particular things and what are their matters, but I know that it is about dealing with your like for example you have any invention, like you have a mobile phone, okay,
Right.
so you deal with about dealing with all the errors, you have to deal with all the errors types and their sales and marketing, how to enhance their sales and marketing, and how to reduce that errors and how to give the best product to the customers.
Right, right. You are pretty enough. Good to know part is with you. Like you know fairly, and you will definitely come to know when you start working on it.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay then. All the best for your future.
Yes, thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for having me this opportunity.
I think we have finished with all the participants, right, sir? Now I invite Nilofar madam to do the vote of thanks.
Okay, thank you, Jyoti madam. I am Mrs. Nilofar Khan, feeling honored to propose a vote of thanks on behalf of Konkan Jnanpith Rahul Dharkar College of Pharmacy and Research Institute. I convey my regards and hearty thanks to all teaching, non-teaching and technical staff who puts their efforts to make this program successful. I would like to thank our principal sir, Dr. Mohan Kale, who always motivate and guide us to strive the best. I would also like to convey my special thanks to our management, without whose supports the event would not be possible. Last but not least, I would like to thank all the participants. Herewith, I conclude today's session. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you.